What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching today's video. Before you leave, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is going to be holiday inspired outfits from Express. I'm super excited to be bringing you this video. I picked out some adorable things, including dresses. I got some tops and a couple jackets. So if you guys are interested and want to see some awesome holiday picks from Express, then just keep watching. So the first item I'm showing you guys is this leather jacket that I have on here. It is in a size extra large and it is just a black leather jacket. It does have silver hardware, which is nice. And I would say the thing I love most about this jacket, which I'm very picky with leather jackets, because I don't like a leather jacket that's just like straight up and down or kind of like poofs out a little bit, almost like a bomber jacket. This one is like nice and fitted and still shows off the fact that I do have curves. It is just, it's so nice. It has a zipper detailing. I probably would never like zip it up. I just like leaving it open. I think it's super cute, even honestly with what I'm wearing. I just think it's adorable and I just love the way it looks on my body. The next jacket is a fun one. I also got this in an extra large. I actually think I'm gonna go back and size down. I'm gonna get it in a large, and this is like the complete opposite of the first jacket that I showed you. This one is so wild, but the material it's made out of is just this puffy like fluff that is so soft. It does zip up here in the front and it has kind of a stretchy elastic band at the bottom, and I just think like just stop. Oh, so comfortable. Definitely would be great like as a casual look with like some jeans and tennies, but also I feel like you could pop this over a black dress just for like a pop of like, whoa. I don't know, I just really like it. Once again, XL, but I should have sized down and got a large because I think it's just a little too big here, but it's just so comfortable. I then picked out this adorable Leopard Cami. This is made of a material that's not stretchy at all. It is double lined, so it has a black liner underneath, so there's no chance of it being see-through at all. It is a V-neck and has some really pretty lace here on the chest area. I definitely would not wear this bra with it. I would wear a strapless, or if I knew it was going to be a little bit chilly, I would even pair this top with that leather jacket that I was showing you guys earlier. I think this would be such a cute holiday look. I think the idea of wearing a dress always sounds great to me, but then I never really end up wearing a dress unless I'm going to like a wedding or something like that. So definitely this is something I would wear with some black skinny jeans and cute booties. I don't know, I just really love it. Like, I absolutely love leopard. I've always been obsessed with leopard. Fun fact, when I was younger, my entire bedroom, you would walk in and be in shock because it literally looked like I threw up leopard all over the place. Leopard bedding, leopard pillows, leopard everything. I did pick this cami up in a size extra large. Next up, I picked out this adorable high neck tank top with the most pretty detailing up here at the top. It is so pretty. Once again, you guys know I'm obsessed with like that basic piece that has a little bit of a twist. Rather than just a plain black tank, they added this really pretty detailing up here, which I love. This is made of a material that is not stretchy at all, and I got this in a size extra large. Next up is this beautiful light pink top. I don't even know what I would call this. Is this a cap sleeve? Is that even a thing? I don't even know. It's not really a tank. I guess it's just a regular top, but it has this really pretty like scalloped neck and arm line. I think it's so pretty. Once again, it's not a stretchy material at all. Got it in a size extra large, and I just think it's so beautiful. You guys know I'm obsessed with everything black, but I like to switch it up every once in a while. So this is definitely a nice change from what I usually wear. So the next three items I'm going to show you are dresses, and these are three dresses that would be amazing options for any holiday parties you have coming up. It would just be perfection. The first one being this black dress here. When I see this dress, I just think it's that perfect little black dress that every woman should have in the back of their closet just for those special little events. It is a black velvet dress with thick tank top straps. I absolutely love the neckline. It's like a V-neck, but also kind of like does this weird like curving situation. I don't know, I just really like it a lot. It cinches in here at the waist and then flows out just a little bit, nothing too much, which I really like. It is double lined, which is nice. and it's super comfortable. It is stretchy, which is nice. I picked this up in an extra large and it fits perfectly. For those of you guys who don't know, I am 5'7" and I wear a size 16, so this fits absolutely perfectly. There's no chance of you showing your butt. It covers nicely, and it's just overall such a nice dress. The next dress is this one here. It is a spaghetti strap dress that is in the most beautiful green color ever. I really like the way this one shows my figure. I will back up so you guys can see. It is a shorter dress, but it hits me like right above the knees, so it's not too short. It does have this like faux wrap detailing here in the front, and I just think it's so pretty. I really love this green color a lot. It just screams like holidays. I love this green in general. I would wear this green all year round, but I think especially for like the holiday season, it's super pretty. Okay, so I know everybody has a different style, but I feel like everybody will love this dress. Like, this is just honestly what dress dreams are made of. Like, at least in my opinion, I'm already a sucker for like this velvet material. I'm already a sucker for this like emerald, like deep green color. But then the shape of this dress, the way it hits me, the way it like shows off my curves, I'm obsessed with it. What we have here is a spaghetti strap, a velvet emerald green dress with a slit up the side. Can we take a moment? It is so pretty. The back has this like crisscross strap detailing, so it has kind of a lower back. I am wearing a strapless bra, and then I pushed the straps like all the way down here just so none of the straps would be showing from the back. It's a stretchy, comfortable material. I just feel like if I were to go somewhere wearing this dress, I would feel confident and comfortable all night long, which is what I like, and that's what I look for in a dress. So I am loving it. I got this dress in a size extra large. Okay, and the last item I picked up from Express that would be perfect for a holiday outfit are some booties. These are snakeskin booties that are just to die for. I tried them on in store. I still have the tag on because I haven't worn them yet, but I tried them on in store and they fit my wide foot, which I was so excited about. I usually wear a 9.5. I got these in a 10 and they are just so adorable on. I think this would go great paired with skinny jeans and that black leather jacket. I think that would be an awesome holiday look. So yeah, they are just so cute. So I decided to throw this leather jacket on with the dress just so you guys could actually see what it looks like. Adorable. I would hands down wear this anywhere. Anywhere. I just think it's so cute. God, I love it. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration. Hope you guys can take some inspiration and add it to your holiday looks. I'm actually interested in what you guys plan on wearing this holiday season. Leave me a comment down in the description box and let me know. Maybe you guys can give me some ideas on how I can style some of these pieces. Remember that all links to everything that I showed you today will be in the description box. I like to make it easy for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing any of those items. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.